Good day to all, it's Coach Alvin again. Starting your journey towards a healthy lifestyle is easy, but sustaining it is another task altogether. With our fast-paced lifestyle and commitments, it is often difficult to maintain a balance between living healthily and sorting through our daily tasks. In this episode, I will share some pointers that may help you realistically achieve that state of healthy living you are looking for. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, it will be extremely encouraging to our team if you could smash the subscribe button now. I will share strategies that can help to coax yourself and others to lead a healthy lifestyle. Much of the battle in adopting a healthy lifestyle boils down to the shifts in mindset and the ability to cultivate these changes in habits that last. Number one, using real-life case studies. Showcase real-life case studies of individuals who have succeeded. Follow their example and make them your guide. Individuals have different preferences when it comes to choosing who to follow, but the tip is to look at those who share their experiences that you can closely relate to. Number two, understand your barriers. Take the time to list out all the reasons that are keeping you away from being healthy and active. Aim to eliminate those low-hanging fruits, those that are easier to resolve before proceeding on to tackle the harder ones. This not only gives you confidence as you move up the ladder, it also ensures a systemic approach towards addressing the issues on hand. Number three, what are the pros and cons of your current lifestyle? Make a list of them and compare this list with the ones when a healthy lifestyle is adopted. You will definitely find areas that will motivate you towards shedding your current lifestyle while aiming towards the benefits of living healthily. Number four, live towards your personal values. For example, if at the top of your list of values is the well-being of your family and loved ones, then live healthily so that you can not only inspire them to follow your footsteps, but also to make sure that you are around to take care of them in the long run. Number five, do not contradict yourself. Once you have made up your mind and listed out your personal values to work towards, try not to engage in actions and activities that contradict these values. Number six, you do not have to be perfect. Avoid the perfectionist quality. Progress and not perfection is key. For example, instead of an extremely strict diet, strike a balance. Find the middle ground which you know can be sustained in the long run. Number seven, embrace lapses. Understand lapses are common. For example, there might be periods where binge eating occurs. For example, during a festive period. Manage it positively and do not treat it as a failure in your diet planning. Number eight, seek professional help. Ask questions to the right professionals so that they can make the correct decisions catered to your needs and your progress. Consult a doctor, fitness trainer, or nutritionist on what are the options best suited for you, and also work with them to devise a strategy to keep you on track for your healthy lifestyle plans. Last but not the least, engage in healthy competition. Join a community of like-minded people so that all of you can support and challenge one another to do your best. Alright, we have come to the end of the episode. Do leave a comment to share on what other healthy living strategies that have worked for you. Till the next time, stay safe and stay healthy.